Hello everybody, my name is Mac Wogemot. I live in a small community in northern Michigan, only about 1,200 people. This is a prelude to my sawmill builds. I have some notes here. I'm going to go over those for just a minute or two, and I'm going to go over some videos that I have reviewed and things that I'm gleaning from them. Okay, my goals for this project is a small bandsaw mill, one that cuts lumber. Number two is inexpensive as possible. I know everybody's trying to do it on the cheap, and so am I. Number three is easy to operate. I don't want something that's so difficult that it makes it no fun. Number four, low maintenance. I also don't want to make something that's going to have to be worked on every day. It's not good. Okay, so now I'm going to review a couple of the videos that I've watched. I've kind of numbered them in sequence. Matt Cremona. I hope I get these names correct. If I don't, I'm sorry. At least you're getting credits on my videos. I'm not getting any on yours. Matt does, he likes to cut big tree crotch. That way he can sell the thicker lumber for real craftsmen to make bookmark tables and things of that nature. He does a wonderful job. He has built a lot of his own equipment to handle these logs. These are huge. Give him a look if you want. Number two, this is Claude Quellet. Claude, you can figure out Quellet is O-U-E-L-L-E-T. He has made a pocket sawmill, and he made that out of a pocket motorbike, one of these little things that sometimes are called pit bikes. Number three, Cross Sawmill in Georgia. This man saws some of the most huge logs I've ever seen. If you don't want to split it with a chainsaw or dynamite or something else, this is the man for you. I'm fairly sure he's expensive. Fouch, they're off-grid. Fouch is F-O-U-C-H. Just do a search on the internet for him, Fouch off-grid, and he'll come up. He has a little hoot-on sawmill. It's very small in size, and they still make ones that are very similar to that. I think it's a Hudson. Again, look it up. Roland Marcum. This man is very creative. He has made a sawmill, and it works well, and he's made it out of almost nothing. He says, homemade bandsaw mill under $500. I'm going to try to beat that, Roland. Mathias. Mathias made his bandsaw mill a vertical bandsaw in his shop, and since then he's converted it to cut some logs out in the backyard. Clever, not my cup of tea. And then there's this guy, What Dennis Does. This is the guy, I'm kind of patterning from him. He started out with what looks like as a bandsaw wheels, and he has made his own sawmill from that. I'm using a motor very similar to his. Mine is a Harbor Freight 6.5 horse. I believe that's where he got his. It looks like he's using an 8-inch driven pulley to power that thing. I purchased an 8-horse driven pulley too, because that's what my calculations worked out to be. There's a prelude to some of the things you're going to see, and you're going to see similar items that I use from all of those videos. Thanks. Have a good day. Stay tuned.